channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to fix HVCI enabled error in Valorant. So guys, disabling the memory integrated in the first fix. So guys, first fix is disable the memory integrity in Windows security. So guys, this fix directly turn off the conflicting the security feature in Windows. For this, you simply open the start menu and the type Windows security and click on the device security in the left panel. After that, under core isolation, click the option of core isolation settings, then toggle the memory integrity which to off. Okay, then guys, restart your computer for change to take effect. Then you launch your Valorant to check if the issue is resolved or not. Okay, after that guys, press second fix is modify your HVCI setting in registered editor. For this, press window R to open run and type regedit. Then you go to your navigate system where you double click the enable visualization based security and change its value to 0. After that, next to the hkill local machine folder, here you can check this is the complete directory. Then click the option of enable dword and set its value data to 0. Then guys, you restart your PC after making these registry change. Then guys, you disable your visualization in BIOS. So guys, turn off the hardware visualization can sometimes resolve the conflict with the Vanguard. So guys, you restart your computer and repeatedly press the BIOS or UEFI keys. Then navigate to the advanced CPU and the security setting menu and locate the setting like Intel visualization technology or AMD. Then disable these visualization option and save the changes and exit the BIOS and UEFI. Allow your computer to boot up normally. Then guys, reinstall your Valorant and Riot Vanguard. A fresh installation can fix the corrupted file or configuration issue causing the HVCI error. For this, open the setting and go to the setting app, then app feature and find the Riot Vanguard and click the option of uninstall. Then find Valorant and uninstall. Then restart your computer to remove the reschedule files and download and install the Valorant from the official website. Vanguard will automatically install with the Valorant. Last thing fix is update your window and the system driver. So guys, outdated system files or the driver can lead the compatibility issue with the game anti-cheat. So you open the setting and navigate to update and security and update window and click check for the update and install any available update. For graphic driver, visit the GPU manufacturer website and download and install the latest driver for your specified card and consider using the tools like driver booster for other outdated drivers. Then you restart your PC after all the updates are installed. So guys, thank you and have a nice day.